Imagine your tutorials turning into a structured course with progress tracking, lessons, and even student engagement all inside YouTube Studio. And once you learn how to use it, you can turn your channel into a learning platform. So in this video, I will show you how to choose and create a new course in YouTube Studio. So basically, once in your YouTube Studio, simply just go to your settings. Then you'll see an option right here called Content. Now from the content, you'll see all these words at the top corner under the channel content. You can see all your videos, shorts, and even your lives. Now from here, you'll see the courses button. Simply just click this button, then you can now create or add a new course if you're eligible to do so. Simply just add a new course, put a title, add some descriptions, then turn the visibility into public or private or however you want, then you can now add videos. And that's how you can basically create a course in YouTube Studio. If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification for more tutorial videos.